Welcome to SQL for Beginners. SQL, or Structured Query Language, is the standard language for interacting with databases. Think of a database as a massive, powerful spreadsheet, and SQL is the language you use to manage it. Whether you're a developer, analyst, or just curious about data, learning SQL is a valuable skill. So, what can you do with SQL? You can retrieve data using the select command, add new information with insert, modify existing data with update, and remove data with delete. These are the 4 fundamental operations that you'll use all the time. SQL works with various relational database management systems like MySQL, PostgreSQL, and SQL Server. While the syntax is straightforward and human-readable, mastering it opens up a world of possibilities for data analysis and management. This was just a quick introduction to the world of SQL. There's much more to explore, like joining tables, using functions, and designing databases. But with these basics, you're well on your way. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and follow TechPlanet TV for more tech tips.